In this FreeCAD video, you learn to fix another version of the wire is not closed error. Let's go back and create a new sketch on this face. Click this button to project external geometry of the model inside this sketch. Let's project an arc and this horizontal line. Right-click to exit the Project Geometry tool. These projected lines can now be used as constraint points inside this sketch. To demonstrate this, let's select the Rectangle tool. Start on this vertex and end on the vertical axis. Right-click to exit the Rectangle tool. Now select the two lines and make them equal. Click on Close to exit this sketch. Select the pad feature to extrude the rectangle. But when you click on OK, the wire is not closed error appears. Click on OK to continue, and click on Cancel to exit the pad tool. Double-click on the sketch to edit it, and click on the projected lines to select them. Click this button to convert them to construction geometry. The projected lines will be dashed. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Select the pad feature again to extrude the rectangle, and when you click on OK, the rectangle is extruded. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. To solve this for the next time, go to Edit and select Preferences. Go to the Sketcher tab and select General. And make sure the Always Add External Geometry as Construction box is checked. Click on OK to apply. Double-click on the sketch to edit it again. Click this button to project external geometry. And you see it's a dashed construction line now. Let's draw a similar rectangle on this new projected construction line. Click on Close to exit the sketch. The other rectangle was also extruded because only closed contours and dashed construction lines were used. This can save you some frustration when using projected geometry. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.